Hello everyone, so I've recorded this live trading video for you guys. However, the structure of the video is that it starts by me live trading in front of you, and then by the end of the video I teach you a lesson regarding that trade. So make sure you stick until the end of the video to be taught the lesson. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you're well. I hope you're doing alright. So guys, right here the theory on GBPAUD is for the market to push through to the upside from 1.86500 to 1.90 right there. As you can see, the market has been pushing up. I've been buying GBPAUD as it was going up, and right now the theory, my theory, still didn't end. So I'm going to continue to buy GBPAUD through to the upside, because as I already taught you, what I usually do is I create a theory, I create a bias, and then I just continuously buy this bias until we reach our target. So right here for GBPAUD, as you can see, my next buy is going to be from here into these highs. So I don't need to buy GBPAUD all the way up into the 1.90 area. I can just buy it all the way up into 1.89540, and this will be a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and then I can leave. So I divide my theory and I only trade portions of it. So right now my next trade is into these highs. As you can see, lots of liquidity right there through to the upside. So we were moving through to the upside, we stopped right here, and we formed these stops. So 1, 2, 3. The market then melted from there, so leaving a lot of stop losses above here. Now for us to buy, we of course need liquidity clearances. So right here, as you can see, the market moved down 1, 2 from these bottoms, and then just liquidated them through to the downside. Now on top of that, on top of all that, what we have right here since the day started, right here we started on Monday, and then the market, what it did after the Monday start is we did a 3 drive pattern through to the downside. So 1, 2 into these lows, and then a third drive to take out all the stop losses below these lows. And this is why after a third drive pattern, I usually believe that the market is going to turn around and start pushing back up into this liquidity. Let's see how this goes. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're alright. So as you can see here, the market pushed in my direction, and fortunately it didn't take out the tops right here. What it actually did is it formed a third top right there with them, a fourth top actually, 1, 2, 3, 4 tops right here, and then the market started going down from there. So we left liquidity through to the upside, which means for me, I can re-enter on this position right here. If the market ever makes it down into my entry here, I will take this position through to the upside from here all the way up into there. That will be my second trade of that higher time frame theory of the market going up into almost 1.90 here. So as you know, I'm buying GBPAUD into the 1.90 area, and therefore this will be my second trade of this theory, pushing the market up into the 1.90 area. And with this trade, the theory will end, and then my bullishness will stop on GBPAUD, and I will have to reanalyze the markets again. Let's see how this trade goes. So it's been a few days, and as you can see, the market pushed through to the upside on GBPAUD. We just had this test right here, entered another position, and the market pushed through to the upside. Now finally I get to explain something that I've been trying to explain for a very long time on social media, which is a lot of people ask me a question. When I have a theory right here, I had this is GBPUSD, I had this GBPAUD, okay, theory that the market is going to go to this 1.90 area. Okay, after I had this theory, a lot of people asked me, why didn't I just place a trade right here, for example, have a very small stop loss, and then aim for like a big risk to reward ratio. And of course, if I do it on the 30 minutes, it will be an even bigger risk to reward ratio, okay, than 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. Now the reason for that is, look at this. I have multiple reasons. First reason, my aim was this 1.90 area. If I just took one trade, let's say I took this trade right here and I did this would be a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio from here into here. Now, because I divided my theory into multiple trades, entered and left, I got a 1 to 3, then a 1 to 3 again. So I got a 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio instead of the 1 to 5 that I would have gotten taking one trade. And this is why, for me, lower risk to reward ratios and dividing your theory into multiple trades is always better than taking just one trade. Number two, the second reason is that my theory can be wrong. I'm not correct all the time. If I believe that GBPAUD is going to 1.90, what if GBPAUD just moves up to 1.89500 right here, and then it starts moving through to the downside from there, let's say. Therefore, what I get, assuming that I just took this trade, is I win one trade right here, let's say from here into here, and then the market moves into the downside, and the goal, even though my theory failed, what I had is a profitable trade. So I win even though my theory failed. Let's just assume that what I did is I took this trade, the market came back up right here, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, win, came back into here, I took this other trade right there, and then it ended up losing, okay, because my theory failed. What ends up happening is now, because I have multiple trades, this trade has ended, so right here I just secured 3R. I lose on this trade 1R, and the total result would be, even though my theory failed, it would be plus 2R between those trades, so I would be winning all in all. Now let's say I only take one trade and I hold it up here, and the market pushes up into here, and then it pushes down and triggers my stop loss, then I would just have minus 1R. So for me, it's a no-brainer that a theory needs to be divided into multiple trades where you enter, leave, enter, leave, enter, leave until the market reaches the goal that you are pushing into. Now, at least that's my strategy. This is how I trade, and this is everything I want to say today, guys. I'll see you soon in the next video. Good luck, subscribe, notifications, all the YouTuber stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.